Good morning, students. Today we are again going to study in detail the article the. Article the is used in many cases. I told you in the previous lecture that article the is pronounced as the and the also, and it's true that whenever we use the article the in front of the vowel, it pronounced as the, means the orange, the eggs, the banana, the apple, like this. And whenever we pronounce it as in front of the consonant sound, we pronounce it as the banana, the mango, the pineapple, and so on. So, this article the is pronounced as the and the. For example, the box, the fish, the shop, while the apple, the ulcer, the yeast, means the and the, means this way we pronounce it. After that, we pronounce it as, for example, before the consonant I told you, the fish, the cat, the box, in front of the consonant sounds. And in the case of vowel, how we use it? We simply say the apple, the yeast, the orange, and like this. In this way, the slight difference about the use of the as we use it as the before the consonant sound, noun that begins with the consonant sound, and that the noun begins with the vowel sound. This is the little bit difference about the use of article the. Dear students, beside that, I will also explain where we use article the, means the uses of article the and the are in cases. In which cases article the used one thing. You also know that article the is known as the definite article, and whatever is definite, whatever is unique, and whatever is only one, there we use article the, that you are very well familiar with. So, beside that, the is also used such unique and definite, means names of the rivers. Unique and definite and only one means names of the newspapers. Unique and definite means name of the trends, rivers, trains, newspapers, directions, and so on. Article the is also used in the case of superlative degree, means to show the superiority, we also use the article the. The same thing, if we want to use again in the second time, the same general thing becomes a particular in the same case. For example, we will discuss that. Suppose I simply say, I found a article I used here. I found a wallet on the way to college. When I found a wallet on the way, I gave a wallet to the principal I can't see. I hand over the wallet, means the general wallet becomes a particular when we use it for the second time. For example, I found a wallet on the way to college. The wallet I gave to principal. It means that the same general wallet becomes a particular one in the second. मला रस्त्यामध्ये एक वॉलेट सापडलं आणि मी एक वॉलेट प्राचार्याला दिलं असं म्हणू शकत नाही मी. मला रस्त्याला कॉलेजला जाते वेळेस एक वॉलेट सापडलं आणि तेच वॉलेट मी प्राचार्यांना देऊन टाकलं, म्हणजे तेच म्हणजे पर्टिक्युलर. असं नाही की इथे जर तुम्हाला अ वॉलेट म्हणायचं असेल तर एक वॉलेट मला सापडलं, एक वॉलेट मी त्यांना दिलो, म्हणजे तेच वॉलेट दिलं असं होत नाही. तुम्ही चांगलं आहे ते ठेवून घेतलात, खराब दिलात असंही होऊ शकतं. म्हणून I found a wallet on the way to college. The wallet I gave you to principal means the wallet is become here the definite article instead of general. In such nouns, we use the same. There is another example in such cases is on page number 5. Here, Nimi bought a book on Nimi bought a book on marine life. Means the life of the mariners, marine life. After she read the book, after she read the book, decides to read another one. Means just you look here, she bought a book on marine life. After she read the book, that a book becomes the common noun becomes the particular nouns, definite noun, because on the second time we are giving stresses to the first one, and in the second time we use it as a particular one, though it is we are using in front of the common noun, but it becomes a particular one. Again we use article the in many cases before the names of mountain, oceans, seas, rivers, we use the article the. In front of the names of oceans, mountains, rivers, ocean, mountain, rivers, seas, lakes, and in front of group of islands we use article the. For example, you just look at the example like Mount Everest, Andaman Nicobar, Pacific Ocean, there we use article the. The Mount Everest is the highest peak in the Himalayas. Means 3 times I use here the Mount Everest. One is the highest, again the superlative form, is the highest peak in the Himalayas. Parvat, peak in the Himalaya. Means again in the third time I use article the. Mount Everest is the highest peak in the Himalayas. The islands, for example, the Andaman and Nicobar. The Andaman and Nicobar. The Iceland also we use article the in front of their names. Again we use in front of the oceans. For example, if our aeroplane is going on the or over the, we says we flew over the Pacific Ocean, means when the aeroplane passes, means this the Pacific Ocean, means in front of the names of oceans, lakes, islands, mountains, we use article the. Even we use the article in front of the superlative forms. Superlative forms means in the case of superlative degree, we use article the to show one, the unique one, because in the superlative degree we have studied the degrees which are of three types. Positive degree means both are equal, means he is as good as he. She is as good as he, means he and she are equal. To show the equality, we use positive degree, and the comparative degree means one is different from the another. We use he is better than me, means he is little better than me. But superlative form means he is better among the all. He is superior than the all, we use the superlative form. For example, we use Ram is the fastest runner in our. We use a runner, bowler, batsman, whatever you want to use, you can. So this way, to shows the fastest superlative form which is unique than the other, we use the superlative form in the use of article the. Beside that, we use this article the in front of such uniqueness of someone, because we have so many guests, so many relatives, so many neighbors, but each one is not of the same type. प्रत्येक असतो का नहीं. So we have so many relatives, so many friends, so many neighbors, but one is different, one is unique, one is superior than others. So in such cases, we use the Joshis are the wonderful guests. The Joshis are number of guests we have, but Joshis are different from the other because they have the specific, they make the specific hospitality. They give more space to the guest. They give the extra care, love, and so on. So in such cases also we use article the when someone is unique than the other. In such cases, before what I told you, before the names of the railways, we also use article the. For example, well-known buildings, well-known trains, well-known newspapers, we use article the. Well-known buildings means everybody know the Rashtrapati Bhavan in India, the White House, the White House in America. In such special buildings, Vastu, we use article the. In front of the names of the trains, we use article the. For example, the Rajdhani Express, the Sachkhand Express, the Nandigram Express we used. In front of newspapers also we use article the Indian Express, the Indian Express, the Times of India, and so on. There are so many newspapers, so many trends, but unique. And when they are one, in such cases, the Rashtrapati Bhavan, the White House, the Sachkhand Express, the Rajdhani Express, such railways, the Times of India, the Maharashtra Times. In case of such newspapers also, we use article the. Besides that, article the is also used in front of the famous holy books of the religion wise, because in each and every religion we worship the holy books. For example, Sikh worship Guru Granth Sahib, while Parsi use the Zoroastrian, Hindu worship Bhagavad Gita, Ramayana, while, while Muslim worship Quran. This way, such holy books, before the names of the holy books of each and every religion, we use article the, because that the holy book is unique, only one, and each and every one very well know about it. So we use the books like the Gita, the Quran, the Guru Granth Sahib, etc. Means Guru Granth Sahib, the Quran, the Gita, the Bible, the Bible. In such unique books, in front of such unique books, we use the articles. So, dear friends, article the is used in so many cases, at so many cases, places. So, kindly go through it, and in lecture number 6, tomorrow we will discuss the new and unique idea about the uses of no article, because we have you in the previous lectures we have discussed indefinite article and their uses, definite article the and the and its uses, and in the coming lecture we will discuss about the uses of no article, means where or in such nouns cases we can't use the article. So, in such cases we call such cases as the cases of no article. That is also unique, important and interesting one. So, we will go through it in the next class. With this I stop here. Thank you very much.